Dear students, welcome to part 2 of number pattern under quantitative reasoning. The first part we had seen 20 types of missing numbers quantitative reasoning. In part 2 also we are going to see 20 more how to find the missing number based on the given series of number pattern. Let us start now. So the question number 1. So you can also do with me. Question number 1 is 31, 35, 43, 59, 91. Then next is dash. So I'll read the numbers 31, 35, 43, 59 and 91. After getting a series of numbers like this to find the missing number, first we have to find out the relation between each number to the next one and the consequent numbers. We'll see that now. Here 31 to 35. What is the relation here? Here it is the difference it makes 4. 35 to 43. What is the difference? 35 to 43 means it is 8. 43 to 59. The difference is 16. 59 to 91. What is the difference? We'll see here. 32. So now it is understood what is the relation between first and second number and second and third number, third and fourth number, fourth and fifth number. So what is the relation? It is the square of 2's. That means here it makes 2 square. Here it makes 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 4, 5. So next number easily we can find out now. What is the difference? Here it is 2 to the power of 2. Now it is 3, this is 4 and this is 5. So what should be the next? The difference should be 2 to the power of 6. So that is the double of 32. Everything is doubling. The difference is doubling. So 4 became 8, 8 became 16, 16 became 32. So the next step, what we are supposed to do? The next difference is 32 plus 32. It should be 64. That means 91. We should add 64. So what should be the answer? 5, 15. So what is the answer here? The missing number should be 155. It's very easy to find out. Once you understand what is the relation between the given numbers, it is easy to find out the missing number. We'll move to the next problem now. Question number 2. 1, 2, 6, 24, 120. Next is missing. 1, 2, 6, 24 and 120. What is the difference it makes? 1 is the first number, 2 is the second number. What is the relation between 1 and 2? That we can't understand without understanding the relation between the given other numbers. So here I'll use another color to understand. 1 to 2, the difference is 1. But 2 to 6, the difference is 4. The next is difference is more. So the relation is not the subtraction. We have to see what is the difference here. Something multiplying. If you are getting a series of numbers increasing without any regularity, that means something is multiplication or division, that you should have an idea before finding the relation. So here, if you take into 2, 1 into 2, 2. Next, if you take into 3, it makes 6. Here, if you take into 4, it makes 24. If you take into 5, it makes 120. So what should be multiplied by 120 here? 120 into 6 should be the answer for the missing number. So once again, I'll repeat. So here it is a series of pattern in which the multiplication is followed. The given number into 2, the next number into 3, the next number into 4, into 5, into 6. So here number 2 into 6, 12 and 0. So what is the answer? The answer is here 1 into 1 minute, here 2 into 6, 1 into here 720, not 120, because here we should find 12 into 6, 2 into 6, 12, 1 balance, 1 into 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So total, and this 0 you should add here. So the answer is 720. We'll move to the third problem now. Question number 3. 34, 18, 10, 6, 4. The next is dash. Here also something, the numbers are decreasing. In the first, the second problem, it was increasing randomly. Here it is decreasing randomly without any addition or subtraction. Something is different here. So we should think about multiplication or division in this case also. Here, as the number is decreasing, you should think about division. Something is dividing to get the next number. Okay, so shall we try now? 34 to 18. Is there any relation? No. But to 17 there is a relation, that is 34 by 2, it is making 17, right? So you can, 34 means here all the numbers, the main numbers I am taking as x. I'll take the main numbers as x by divided by 2, that is 34 divided by 2. What should be the answer? 17, right? So the given number by 2, the answer is 17 plus 1. So what is the pattern we have to follow? Given number divided by 2 plus 1. This pattern is followed here. So let us try for other numbers. So first number, this equation makes right, and we are getting the answer here 34 by 2, 17 plus 1, 18. So 18 to 10. Shall we try now? 18 by 2 plus 1. That means 9 plus 1. The answer is 10, correct. Next is 6. So next we have to try 6 by 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. We are getting the answer. So we'll follow the same thing to find the missing number here with the 4. So 4 by 2. So we have to do 4 by 2 plus 1. That is 4 by 2. The answer is 2. Plus 1. The answer is 3. So what is the missing number? We found out the answer for 3 is 3. Okay. We'll move to the next problem. Question number 4. Question number 4 is 2, 5, 9, 19, 37, Next is dash. Okay, 2, 5, 9, 19, 37 dash. Here also the numbers are not in the order. It is increasing. So increasing randomly, I told you it is multiplication. So we have to think something is multiplying, getting multiplied. So we'll follow here. We will follow. I use different color. So here the pattern is x into 2 plus 1. Okay. So can we apply this formula? X into 2. X means the given number into 2. To that number you should add 1. So we'll try now. The first number is 2. 2 into 2 plus 1. So what is the answer? 5 you got. This is right. Next we have 5. 5 into 2 plus 1. So 10. 5 into 2 means 10 plus 1, 11. So 5 into 10. Here we are not getting 11. So what is wrong here? If you follow this, we should get 11, but we are getting 9. So something is wrong with the sequence, right? So if we are not able to follow the same sequence for all the numbers, we have to think for all the numbers, the same thing is not followed, something is wrong. So we have to apply another formula in such a case. So for the first one, that is 2 to 5, the pattern is x into 2 plus 1. Then for second one, that is 5 and 9. Something is different. So can we apply another formula? X into 2 minus 1. We'll try that. 5 into 2 minus 1. That is 10 minus 1. Answer is 9. Yeah, we got it. So that means first time we have to use the formula x into 2 plus 1. For the next number x into 2 minus 1. Then again x into 2. That is alternately we have to use the formulas. X into 2 is same for both. But plus 1, then minus 1. Then again plus 1, again minus 1. We'll see for the next one. Here 19 is the right. 9 to 19. So 9 to 19 means we have to use x into 2. So the last time we use x into 2 minus 1. So this time we have to use x into 2 plus 1. That is 9 into 2 plus 1. We are getting the answer 19. Correct, no? Yes, we got the answer 19, right? Yes. So next we have to use minus, that is 19 into 2 minus 1. 19 into 2, 38 minus 1, 37. That means here 19 to 37 we have used x into 2 minus 1. So what has to be supposed to use for the next one? Plus, that is x into 2 plus 1. This formula has to be applied for here. So 37 into 2 plus 1. 37 into 2, 74 plus 1. So what is the answer? The answer is 75. The answer is, so we are getting the answer 75. Okay, we'll move to the next one. Question number 5. Question number 5 is 1, 2, 5, 12, 27 and next is dash. 1 to 5, 12, 27. So what is the relation between here? Here also multiplication because the numbers are increasing randomly without any regularity. So in that case we have to use the multiplication, but we have to find multiplication plus some addition also here. 1 becomes 2, 2 becomes 5. So what is the relation between this? Some addition is happening here. So that means one into 2 plus 0 for this. So first one is x into 2 plus 0. The next is x into 2 plus 1. Next is x into 2 plus 2. Next is x into 2 plus 3. X into 2 plus 4. Shall we try apply these formulas? So first one is x means 1. 1 into 2 plus 0. We are getting 1. 1 to 2. So 2. First number we applied. Now we are getting the number 2. We got the number 2. Next we have to apply 2 here. 2 into 2 plus 1. We are getting the answer 5. We got it. Next we have to follow plus 2. So here we have to use after 2 5, right? 5 into 2 plus 2. That is 12. We got the answer 12. Next we have to apply 12 here. 12 into 2 plus 3, that is 24 plus 3, 27. So what has to be multiplied and added for the next to find the missing number? Plus 4. That is given number is 27. 27 into 2 plus 4. What is answer? 27 into 2? 54. 54 plus 4. What is answer? 58. So the missing number we found out it is 58. Okay. So it's very easy. Hope you all understood. Thank you. We'll see the next 5 in another video. Bye. Thank you for watching.